The one facing the top. Boy, the ocean breeze. No. Okay. Ah, it's up. Yeah. Ah, it's up. Yeah. We are doing another inspection today. This particular one is another Virgin Road. It's a Virgin Road, 13.5 kilometer of a new, I call it a pathway to the blue economy. We decided to construct this road because we had a beach. There's a popular beach around here that's called Oyorokoto Beach, one of the finest tourist centers. But while we were embarking on that project, we found out that we shouldn't limit it to just that Oyorokoto Beach. But we have another site which you can see. This is just facing the Atlantic Ocean. So we also believe that while we are trying to tap into this blue economy resource, it will be proper for us to harness this front beach. We intend creating some economic activity here that also boosts the economy of Rivers State. You can see for yourself, it's a brand new road, very terrible terrain, just like the one we saw yesterday. But I strongly believe that we will overcome it. From what we've seen today, the contractor, MCC, they are also doing their best. I strongly believe that by next year, hopefully by March 2, we'll have the cost to come and commission this project fully and give God all the glory.